Hello, today I want to share another quick tip here, and this time will be about caching yield returns. So you maybe uh, have your coroutine, and you're probably doing something like yield return new, and then you just keep your, let's say, waiting for seconds and put your delay time here, and then do your code. But the problem here is that every time you call this coroutine will be the normal garbage allocation for the coroutine calling, but you can avoid this instantiation here every time you call this coroutine and later avoid the garbage collection, which will improve your performance. Uh, One way that you can do that is just by caching your waiting for seconds and give your time here. And now you don't need to, every time you call this coroutine, you don't need to create a new object. So you can just pass your cached one. And this time you can avoid more um, memory allocation and then garbage collection. So yeah, that's just a quick tip. You can also make this read only. Uh, and yeah, that's that's for that's the tip for this video, and I'll see you next time.